we have seen there are certain regions in India where the floods are very prominent, and the reasons for the occurrence of floods also vary in all of those regions. First region which we have seen is the Himalayan region. The Himalayan region being why there is a flood over there? Because the region gets affected a lot by the landslides. The landslide basically blocks the flow of the river, and because of that the flood may occur. That's one thing. दूसरा कारण क्या हो सकता है कि वहां पे फ्लड आ रहा है? ग्लेशियर लेक आउटबर्स्ट फ्लड, है ना? सो ग्लेशियर लेक आउटबर्स्ट फ्लड क्या होता है? The reason when the glaciers move forward, they erode the surface, they break the surface, and because of that, जमीन के अंदर, माउंटेन्स पे जमीन के अंदर, they can create lot of holes, the digs. Now in that, water may get accumulated, because when the glacier would accumulate it, that glacier would melt and it will accumulate water over there, which will result into formation of the lake. Now at times, whenever the embankment, the moraines, the sediments which are holding out that water, when those sediments break down, the water starts flowing down the surface. That's how basically GLOF works, Glacial Lake Outburst Flood. तो वो एक रीजन हो सकता है वहां पे जिस वजह से फ्लड आए. तीसरा रीजन वहां की टिपिकल अर्थक्वेक एक्टिविटीज जो है, बहुत ज्यादा अर्थक्वेक आता है. हिमालयन रीजन फॉर दैट मैटर इज प्रोन टू अर्थक्वेक. तो अर्थक्वेक क्या करता है? नदियों के फ्लो को भी बदल सकता है. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे when the earthquake would occur, slope of the mountain may also change. mountain के slopes में भी तो बदलाव आ सकता है ना. उसकी strike slope और dip slope में फर्क आ सकता है. Do you remember the dip and strike? dip मतलब वो mountain कितना inclined है, और strike मतलब वो mountain कितना right या left side में झुका हुआ है. That's called as strike, and this is the dip. So the dip and the strike of the mountain may also vary, and because of that river का पूरा flow बदल सकता है. रिवर का फ्लो बदलेगा तो फ्लड आने के पूरे पूरे चांसेस होते हैं, है ना. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई इन द हिमालयन रीजन द फ्लड्स आर वेरी प्रोमिनेंट.